Tired of constantly replacing your iPhone charger cable? Imagine having a lightning cable that not only reaches across the room but also delivers fast, reliable charging every time. The TalkWorks 10-foot iPhone lightning cable offers exactly that, a durable, long-lasting connection designed to keep your devices powered without the usual wear and tear. What makes this cable different? For starters, it's MFI certified, meaning it's officially approved by Apple to safely charge your iPhone, iPad Air, Pro, or iPad mini. That certification isn't just a label, it guarantees protection against overheating and short circuits, so you can charge with confidence. Plus, the cable supports max-speed fast charging from any USB wall adapter or portable charger, getting your device ready to go quicker than standard cables. Durability is where the TalkWorks cable really shines. The ultra-strong connector joints are built to withstand up to 25,000 bends, far exceeding typical cables that wear out quickly near the ends. This means less frustration and fewer replacements. Users have noted how much sturdier these cables feel compared to thinner, fabric-wrapped options that tend to fray. The connector heads maintain a solid, stable connection that also ensures smooth data syncing alongside fast charging. If you've ever struggled with short cords or unreliable chargers, this 10-foot length offers the freedom to use your device comfortably while it charges. Whether you're on the couch, at your desk, or even in bed, you get the reach you need without compromising on speed or safety. It's a simple upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in everyday convenience. If that's you, someone who values durability, speed, and Apple-approved safety, this cable is worth a look. The TalkWorks 10-foot lightning cable comes in a vibrant blue, adding a touch of style to your tech accessories. It's built to last, so you can stop worrying about frayed ends or slow charging times. Ready to upgrade your charging experience? The TalkWorks 10-foot iPhone lightning cable offers what you need: longer reach, faster charging, and proven durability. Try it when you're ready and see how a reliable cable can change the way you power your Apple devices.